So you started to get into what I wanted to ask next, which is less barriers, but what happens when things are done the right way? So I'd love for you to continue on that. How should companies continue to think about moving closer to these full AI first models and an autonomous enterprise that you envision?
So that's a great question. I'll maybe ground it in few customer examples. So take an example for one of our customer, Petrobras in Brazil, large oil and gas company. They pay over $60 billion in taxes. And we were given a task to reimagine, if we could, with AI, reimagine how taxes happen. And we took an approach where in 3 weeks, we were able to save them $120 million. And this was new for us as well. In the world I come from, prior to AI, in 3 weeks, if you got project plan done, you would be lucky. And so what did just happen? We took one of the most complex tax code, I'm told Brazil has the most complicated tax code, into the system, collected data from 32 different systems, applied the new tax laws to this, took 2 weeks for models to learn and clear all the doubts, and then recomputed the entire tax for the enterprise. Now, I always knew doing a tax was not a human job. No offense to anybody who does that. But they make it complicated by design. That's how it feels, right? We saved $100 million in taxes. I mean, despite smartest people's best effort, you can't get it right. Taking another example, Cargill, a single process saved in one region saved them $15 million, and in less than 1 minute to process an order. Take another example, British Gas Centrica, 50,000 customer escalations. 70% are auto-resolved by agents in a matter of minutes. And so I can go on. In every industry, reimagined way of working.